why push-up technique matters.
Proper push-up form is more than just looking good. Using correct technique helps you build strength effectively and protects your shoulders, wrists, and lower back from injury. Mastering each step ensures you target the right muscles and get the biggest benefit from your workout, whether you're a beginner or advanced exerciser.
Setting up, hand and body position.
Start at a high plank position. Place your hands just wider than shoulder width apart, fingers pointing forward. Your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Avoid sagging hips or lifting your butt too high. Engage your core and keep your feet together, or hip width apart, for stability and balance.
The perfect push-up, step by step.
Lower yourself by bending your elbows, keeping them at about a 45-degree angle from your body, not flaring out to the sides. Lower your chest until it nearly touches the floor while maintaining a strong, straight core. Push back up through your hands until your arms are fully extended, but don't lock your elbows at the top.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Watch out for common errors. Hands placed too far forward, elbows flaring out, arching the back, or letting hips sag. These mistakes reduce effectiveness and can cause discomfort or injury. Instead, focus on control, stability, and maintaining proper alignment throughout the entire motion.
Tips for safe and effective push-ups.
Warm up before starting, and don't rush. Quality matters more than quantity. If regular push-ups are challenging, modify by dropping to your knees. Progress gradually, aiming for proper form every rep. Remember to breathe naturally and listen to your body to avoid overexertion or pain.